Welcome to Smart English Reader, your daily boost for confident English. Let's build your reading, speaking, and listening skills with real stories and practical language. Ready to grow? Let's begin. Money? Are you my ex? You leave alone. A Smart English Reader lesson for real life, real laughs, and real learners. Money comes in fast, then runs away. It says, I'll stay, then says, bye. You hold it tight, it slips away. You say, I love you. Money says, I need space. Broken heart. You get paid. You smile. You dance. You check your wallet. It's already empty. Oh. You buy food. Buy soap. Buy socks. Money says, that's enough. Soap, socks. You save a little. Then life says, surprise! Money says, I'm out. You ask, where did you go? Money says, ask the bills. Bills say, we're hungry. Eek. You try budget. You make a plan. You feel smart. Then you see a sale. Money says, temptation wins. You write a list. Only buy rice, oil, and bread. You go to the store. You come back with chips, soda, and a new hat. Money says, nice hat, bad math. You check your bank app. It loads slowly. You pray. It says, low balance. You say, I knew it. You find coins in your couch. You feel rich. You buy gum. Now you're broke again. You ask for a loan. Friend says, I'm broke too. You both laugh, then cry. You try side jobs. You work hard. You sweat. Money says, nice try. You sell old shoes. You babysit. You walk dogs. You teach English. Money says, you're creative, but I'm still leaving. You dream of millions. You wake up. You see cents. You say, still dreaming. You talk to money. You say, why do you leave? Money says, I'm busy. You say, busy with who? Money says, everyone but you. You pay rent, you pay water, you pay electricity. Money says, I'm tired. You say, me too. You get a bonus. You feel rich. You buy chicken. You buy data. You buy a gift. Money says, that was fast. You try to save. You hide money in a jar. You forget the jar. Your cousin finds it. Money says, goodbye again. You start tracking expenses. You write everything down. Taxi, $3. Coffee, $2. Snacks, $5. You look at the total. You scream. You cancel Netflix. You cancel Spotify. You cancel fun. Money says, now I'm bored. You feel angry. You feel sad. You feel tired. Money says, I'm just paper. You say, you're my stress. You see someone rich. They smile. They travel. They eat sushi. You eat noodles. Money says, different lives. You try to be grateful. You say, I have food. You say, I have friends. You say, I have dreams. Money says, okay, I'll come back soon. You laugh at your wallet. It laughs back. You say, let's be honest. Wallet says, I'm just decoration. You learn new skills. You study. You practice. You teach. Money says, interesting. You start a small business. You sell soap. You sell snacks. You sell smiles. Money says, I'm watching. You get paid again. You don't dance. You don't scream. You whisper, let's be smart this time. You save 10%. You invest 5%. You give 2%. You spend 83%. Money says, better, not perfect. You build a budget. You stick to it. You say no to sales. You say yes to goals. Money says, now we're talking. Money is fast. Money is funny. Money is rude. Money is life. But remember, you are more than coins, more than bills, more than balance. You are effort. You are dreams. You are kindness. You are creativity. So smile, work smart, and say, money, I'll catch you next time. And this time, I'll hold you with wisdom, not fear, not stress, just love and a little math. Hold money with wisdom. Money is not your enemy. It's not your best friend either. It's a tool. A slippery, shiny, sometimes sneaky tool. You can chase it, you can cry over it, but the smartest move? Learn to guide it. Every coin you save is a step toward freedom. Every budget you follow is a quiet victory. Every no to impulse is a loud yes to your future. Smart money isn't about being rich. It's about being ready. Ready for surprises, ready for growth, ready to say, I control my money. Money doesn't control me. So next time money walks in, don't fall in love too fast. Smile, shake hands, and say, let's build something together. Because wasting money is easy, but using it wisely, that's power. That's peace. That's you, growing, glowing, and going forward. Thanks for reading with Smart English Reader. Keep practicing, stay curious, and speak with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your journey starts here.